I'm showing you 11 passive income ideas that could make you $25,000 a month. Each idea will be rated on 3 essential criteria: how hands-off it is, how scalable it can become, and roughly how much money you need to get started. These ratings will be from 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, making it easy to decide which income streams fit your goals, lifestyle, and resources. Stick with me till the end because you may discover ways to generate wealth you never thought possible. Passive income idea number 1: dividend stock investing. Dividend stock investing might sound complex, but it's one of the most straightforward ways to generate passive income if done correctly. Here's how it works. Many companies, especially large corporations, pay dividends, which are essentially profit-sharing payouts to their shareholders. Companies such as Coca-Cola, Apple, and Google pay a dividend to their shareholders. By buying shares in these companies, you become eligible to receive these dividend payments as long as you hold on to the stock. These payments are typically distributed quarterly, but some companies pay monthly or annually. Once you invest, you don't have to actively manage anything. Your role is simply to collect the dividends and decide if you want to reinvest them to compound your earnings. Now, the magic of dividend investing lies in this reinvestment. For example, if you receive a dividend payout of $500, reinvesting it allows you to buy more shares. Over time, this results in more dividends and more shares, a cycle that can lead to substantial income if you stay consistent. Now let's rate it. In terms of being hands-off, dividend investing is an incredible 9 out of 10. Once you buy the shares, your work is pretty much done. Just keep an eye on your portfolio every few months or so. For scalability, it's a 10 out of 10. More money you put in, potentially the more money you can get in dividends. Dividend stocks most of the time do not have explosive growth, but through reinvestment, you can increase your earnings consistently. As for the starting cost, it's a 5 out of 10, as the amount can vary. To see meaningful returns, you'll ideally want $1,000 to $5,000, but brokers today make it possible to start with as little as $50. It's one of the simplest and most accessible ways to start building passive income. Like and subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. Passive income idea number 2: high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, or CDs. Let's move to an option that's about as low risk as it gets: high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, or CDs. Think of these as enhanced savings tools offered by banks, especially online banks, that pay a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts. These accounts aren't going to make you rich overnight, but they're great for generating passive income while keeping your money safe and accessible. A high-yield savings account is ideal if you want both liquidity and a steady, albeit modest, return. You can access your funds whenever you want without penalties, which makes it versatile for people who might need cash on hand. CDs, on the other hand, require you to lock up your funds for a set period, usually between 6 months and 5 years, in exchange for higher interest rates. The longer you commit, the better the rate, which can be a great way to grow idle cash with virtually zero risk. In terms of hands-off effort, high-yield savings accounts and CDs score a perfect 10 out of 10. You deposit your funds, sit back, and watch the interest add up. For scalability, they're more limited, so we'll give them a 5 out of 10. Interest rates are generally capped, so while your money grows, it's not exponential. Interest rates are currently around 3.5% for CDs. Starting out is extremely accessible, a 9 out of 10, with minimum deposits often as low as $100 to $500. This option may not be flashy, but it's dependable, making it a perfect complement to higher growth strategies. Passive income idea number 3: rental property investments. Owning rental properties is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to generate passive income. The concept is simple. You purchase a property, rent it out to tenants, and collect rental income every month. If you choose the right property in a desirable location, you can have a consistent revenue stream for years, often with rental increases over time. While being a landlord does involve some work up front, like finding tenants, handling maintenance, and dealing with paperwork, many investors choose to hire property management companies to handle these tasks. When you have a property manager, you're essentially outsourcing the day-to-day responsibilities, which can make real estate a genuinely passive investment. There's also the opportunity for capital appreciation. Over time, your property may increase in value, so you're earning both from rent and the potential future sale of the property at a higher price. For hands-off scoring, rental property investments are around a 7 out of 10. even with a management company, you may still need to be involved in major decisions or repairs. In terms of scalability, rental properties are a solid 9 out of 10. You can always acquire more properties, scale your rental income, and even leverage your portfolio with loans for faster growth. However, the entry cost is higher, and I give it a 3 out of 10. You're typically looking at a down payment of at least 20%, so you'll need a substantial initial investment, often $20,000 or more depending on the market. But for those with the capital, rental property investing can be a game changer. Passive income idea number 4, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending, connects individual lenders with borrowers through an online platform. By lending your money to borrowers, you earn interest as they repay the loan, creating a passive income stream. Platforms like Prosper and Kiva have simplified this process, allowing you to start with as little as $25 per loan. This lets you diversify across multiple loans and reduce the risk of default impacting your overall return. The risk with P2P lending is that if a borrower defaults, you lose your money. However, platforms categorize loans by risk level, letting you choose options based on your risk tolerance. This can make it appealing for both conservative and more aggressive investors. Once the loan is issued, you don't have to do anything besides check your balance as payments come in each month. In terms of hands-off score, P2P lending ranks at an 8 out of 10. Once your loans are set up, it's truly passive. For scalability, it scores a 7 out of 10. While you can continually reinvest your returns, your growth rate depends on loan repayment rates and defaults. Starting out is very accessible with an 8 out of 10. You can start with as little as $25 per loan, making this one of the most budget-friendly ways to earn passive income. Passive income idea number 5, licensing photography or art. If you have a knack for photography, graphic design, or digital art, licensing your work is a fantastic way to turn your creativity into a revenue stream. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow artists to upload their work, where clients pay for licenses to use the images in ads, websites, or social media. The beauty of this model is that you create a piece once, and it can generate income every time someone licenses it. The more high-quality, in-demand images or artwork you upload, the more you can potentially earn. Popular categories include travel, nature, technology, and business, but unique styles and niche topics can also do very well. Your income is initially small, especially in competitive categories, but with a large portfolio, earnings can accumulate into something substantial. In terms of being hands-off, licensing scores a 9 out of 10. Once uploaded, there's no need to manage your images or negotiate with clients. For scalability, it's around a 7 out of 10. A larger portfolio increases your odds, but it takes time to build a diverse, appealing set of work. Initial investment is minimal if you already own a camera or design tools, so it's an 8 out of 10. This makes licensing an excellent, low-cost, creative way to generate passive income. Passive income idea number 6, creating an online course. The online education industry has exploded, and if you have expertise in a particular area, creating an online course can be a lucrative passive income stream. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easy for anyone to design and upload courses. Once your course is live, it can be accessed and purchased by students around the world, bringing in income every time someone enrolls. Creating a course involves some upfront work, such as planning the curriculum, recording video lessons, and developing supplementary materials. However, once your course is up and running, it becomes a passive source of income as people continue to enroll. Popular course topics range from business skills and technology to personal development and creative arts. The more valuable and niche your content, the more likely you are to stand out in a crowded market and attract paying students. When it comes to being hands-off, creating an online course scores about a 7 out of 10. While the setup requires effort, it's mostly passive afterward, with only occasional updates needed to keep the course relevant. Scalability is a perfect 10 out of 10 because there's virtually no limit to how many people can buy your course. As for the initial investment, it varies. If you already have a computer and a smartphone or webcam for recording, costs can be minimal, so it's a 7 out of 10. However, if you're aiming for high production quality, you might invest in better equipment or editing software, making it accessible to those with any budget level. Passive income idea number 7, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn income by promoting other people's products. When someone purchases through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's especially effective if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following where you can share product recommendations. Many companies, including Amazon, offer affiliate programs where you can earn a percentage of each sale. To get started, you need to sign up for affiliate programs and start creating content that directs traffic to your affiliate links. Content can range from product reviews and comparisons to tutorials that showcase the product in use. Once created, your content keeps working for you, generating clicks and commissions over time. Successful affiliate marketers can create a steady income stream with a library of helpful, evergreen content. Affiliate marketing scores an 8 out of 10 on the hands-off scale. Creating the content takes time up front, but after that, it largely runs on autopilot. Scalability is a strong 9 out of 10. The more traffic you generate, the more income potential, making this model highly scalable. Starting costs are low since you can start with a blog or social media profile, making it accessible to beginners and experienced creators alike, so it's a 9 out of 10. Passive income idea number 8, writing a book or ebook. If you're an expert on a topic, have a unique story to share, or are skilled at storytelling, writing a book or ebook could be your gateway to passive income. With self-publishing platforms like Amazon, Kindle, Direct Publishing, or KDP, you don't need a publisher to get your work out there. Once published, your book can generate sales 24/7 as readers discover it. Authors earn royalties on every sale, and books in popular niches, such as self-help, personal finance, or mystery novels, can perform very well. To maximize your earnings, consider optimizing your book's title, cover, and description for discoverability. You may also want to promote it on social media or through a personal website. However, the real beauty lies in the passive nature of royalties. Every sale earns you income without additional effort after publication. In terms of being hands-off, self-publishing a book scores around an 8 out of 10. The writing process can be time-consuming, but once published, it's largely passive. For scalability, it's a 7 out of 10. While each book generates its own income, having multiple books increases earning potential. Initial costs vary based on whether you invest in a professional cover or editing services, but starting with a budget of $100 to $500 can yield a high-quality self-published book, so the rating is an 8 out of 10. Passive income idea number 9, dropshipping. Dropshipping lets you sell products online without holding any inventory. When a customer buys a product from your store, you order it directly from the supplier, who ships it to the customer. This means you don't have to worry about storage, packing, or shipping, making it a highly appealing option for hands-off business owners. With platforms like Shopify and Oberlo, setting up a dropshipping store is easier than ever. The challenge in dropshipping is finding the right products that are in demand, yet have minimal competition. Once your store is set up and generating traffic, you can automate most of the process with tools that manage order processing and customer communication. Marketing is crucial here, and successful dropshipping businesses often rely on social media ads or search engine optimization to drive sales. In terms of hands-off rating, dropshipping scores a 6 out of 10, as it still requires some customer service and marketing. However, it's highly scalable, earning a 9 out of 10. You can continuously add new products and scale with demand. Initial costs vary, but typically range from $200 to $1,000, covering your website, product sourcing, and initial marketing, so it's a 7 out of 10. Passive income idea number 10, selling digital products. Selling digital products is an increasingly popular passive income strategy. These products can include anything from printable planners and templates to digital art, music, or software. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and your own website can be used to sell digital products to a global audience. Since there's no physical inventory, digital products allow you to create something once and sell it repeatedly without worrying about stock or shipping. Creating a digital product takes some initial effort, whether it's designing templates or creating downloadable artwork, but once the product is live, it can generate sales indefinitely. Marketing your digital products is key as people need to discover your offerings, but with effective SEO or social media promotion, you can create a steady income stream. Selling digital products scores a 9 out of 10 on the hands-off scale, as you rarely need to intervene after launch. Scalability is also a 9 out of 10. There's virtually no limit to how many digital copies you can sell, so the income potential grows as you reach more customers. Starting costs are low. You'll need design software or tools, but beyond that, you can get started for less than $100, so it's a 9 out of 10. Passive income idea number 11, YouTube ad revenue. Creating content for YouTube can become a highly passive source of income if done right. Once you build a library of videos that generate views consistently, you can earn ad revenue from Google AdSense whenever people watch your content. It's a great way to earn passive income because, unlike social media, YouTube videos can continue to receive views and generate revenue for years. Creating engaging, high-quality videos requires some upfront effort, including filming, editing, and understanding what types of content resonate with viewers. But once your videos are live and monetized, the ad revenue can be largely passive. Many YouTube creators also diversify by including affiliate marketing or sponsored content to further boost their earnings. YouTube ad revenue scores an 8 out of 10 for being hands-off. The initial work is significant, but videos can generate income long after they're posted. Scalability is a solid 10 out of 10. As your channel grows and reaches new audiences, so does your potential ad revenue. Starting costs vary depending on equipment, but with basic gear, you can get started for under $500, so it's an 8 out of 10. The hardest part of building passive income is often finding that initial cash to get started. The answer to finding those funds might be simpler than you think with the same salary you earn today. And it's all in the next video on your screen for you to watch right now.